Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can restore already deleted pages in your websites on Squarespace. So let us get started. So head over to your pages overview on Squarespace for the given website. So I can go with this website here. Now you don't need to access the page editor, guys, because you can easily delete these pages here from that navigation menu to the left by simply clicking into this trash icon here. Confirm by clicking into this button here. And after that, the deleted page will be moved to that section here, to that folder, deleted pages, so access it. And here, guys, you may, for example, click into this button to delete your removed pages from there, because they will be only hidden once you move them to the folder for 30 days and will be deleted permanently after these 30 days. So within that time, you will have the opportunity to delete them permanently manually by clicking into this button, or to restore them if you accidentally removed them. To do that, click into this button, confirm, and that is going to restore your page, as you can see. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.